Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Calculus problems like this derivative are actually super simple if you follow the right steps. Let's solve this together and find the correct answer fast. First, we apply the power rule to the entire expression by bringing that 1/4 exponent down to the front. Then we subtract 1 from the exponent to get -3/4. Next, we cannot forget the chain rule, so we must differentiate the inner function, 3 plus 5x squared. The derivative of that inner part is exactly 10x. Let's go! Finally, multiply the results to get the full derivative. This matches option D. You have mastered the chain rule. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check your steps.